level na paghataw dahil sisimulan na natin ang ating dance session tonight kasama si Pars Jeffrey Binluan of Gold's Gym.
My name is Jeffrey Binluan from Gold's Gym.
Excited kami sa dance.
Yeah!
Yes, tuturo po sa inyo yung dance step natin. Ito po yung first step. Okay,
Ano
ready?
tawag dito? Pop hits.
Pop hits po ang tawag.
Oh, so
Yes.
it's like 1 hour workout na puro dance
Yes.
lang.
Oh, tapos yung mga sikat na
Intermediate
music.
level po ito.
Oh, intermediate level.
Ang pagkakaiba po nito sa Zumba, ito po yung mga modern dance.
I love it!
Go, go!
Pop hits na to!
Okay, step 1. Ready? Okay, step 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Ay!
Next step.
Rochelle Pangilinan step lang.
And last 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Grabe.
Okay. Monding.
Grabe,
Okay. Second step.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Kanin
Pero
natin.
4 times yun.
4 times siya.
Okay.
Okay. Next step. Third. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fake and wave.
Ay! Okay.
Then other side.
Step may reaction.
Okay yun. Okay.
Simpleng bagay.
Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fake and wave.
Preparation for
4
Madonna.
times.
Oo nga.
Okay, focus.
4 times po tayo.
4 times.
Okay.
And then next. Up.
Ay,
Up.
thriller.
And
Tumitito,
bounce.
Roy.
Ay,
Back.
Next. Forward. Forward. And back. Slide.
Ay, gusto ko yung
Other side. One more.
Okay.
Up. And up. Bounce. Forward. And back. Slide.
Thank you, Jeffrey. Bonggang ano? Pop hits.
I love it. Ang sarap ng hingal after yung pag na-realize mo, matapos mo na pala yung kanta, di ba?
And it's so fun.
Saya niya.
Hindi mo
Saya
na-realize na
Yes.
nag-workout ka.
I love it. Saan nila pwede hanapin? Saan na ito pwede subukan?
Pwede nyo po akong mahanap sa Gold's Gym, Walter Mart.